Hi, I'm Greg Derrick, certified arborist for General Tree Service. We've been working on the mall trees for the last, I think this is the 12th season. Our company, General Tree Service, has been caring for trees since 1924 in the Portland metro area. We do plant health care, we do pruning, we do planting, things like that. Everything we can do to preserve the urban forest. One thing that's always rewarding what we've been able to do with the trees downtown here. People think you can just plant a tree and walk away, but it's a lot more than that. It needs proper watering and cultural practices to try to help it survive in the urban setting here. So we coordinate, we do proper planting on replacement trees. We oversee the watering and care for the first few years. If trees need fertilizer or if they need insect or disease pest management, we provide that. But our main goal along the mall here is to take care of the mature trees. By doing proper maintenance on them, we avoid a lot of issues.
My name is Clay Taylor. I'm with General Tree Service. Right here at the Portland Mall to do some building clearance, deadwooding, structure clearance. We're basically doing this for the health of the trees and the structure of the buildings.
We work primarily on 5th and 6th Avenue from the PSU campus down to the bus depot, and we split that up into 3 equal segments. So we go in and inspect and prune for the health, for safety, for line clearance. It needs business owners too. We'll get things off their buildings for helping the upkeep on the buildings. And we also fan a little bit to get more light. And then we help on the aesthetics. We clear the stoplights. We clear the lines for the transit. And overall make the trees healthier. Working down here, sometimes at night work, there's a lot of foot traffic. We have to get track access permits. We have to get proper training to work around the transit lines, and then just so all the safety protocols are done. So it takes a little extra effort on our crews, but we enjoy it.